If you've ever dealt with a clunky, cord-tangled soldering iron that takes forever to heat up or struggles to maintain a consistent temperature, you know how quickly a delicate repair can turn into a nightmare. Whether you're working on tiny circuit boards, 3D print finishing, or DIY electronics, the Fanttik T1 Max Soldering Iron Kit is the professional-grade upgrade that turns those frustrating projects into a breeze. The standout feature here is the lightning-fast heating. We're talking 7 seconds to reach your target temperature, anywhere from 390 degrees Fahrenheit to 840 degrees Fahrenheit. You no longer have to waste time waiting for the tip to get hot enough to flow solder properly. Because it's cordless, you have total freedom to move around your workbench without being tethered to a wall outlet or fighting against a stiff power cable that knocks your components over. Precision is the name of the game with this kit. It comes with 4 specialized C210 precision tips, ensuring you have the exact geometry needed for everything from fine-pitch SMD work to heavier-duty wire connections. The 360-degree swivel stand is a brilliant addition. It allows you to position the iron at the perfect angle for your specific task, reducing wrist strain and keeping the hot tips safely contained. Safety and longevity were clearly top priorities for Fanttik. The integrated auto sleep function ensures that the iron isn't running unnecessarily when you set it down, which protects your tips from oxidation and keeps your workspace safe. It feels incredibly balanced and natural in the hand, much more like a precision instrument than a standard hardware store tool. It's snappy, ultra-efficient, and engineered to make high-stakes repairs feel effortless. If you're ready to ditch the clunky old gear and start soldering with the precision of a professional, click the link below for the best price.